The Orion Nebula, known as Messier 42 or M42, blazes like a cosmic fire in the constellation of Orion, a stellar nursery just 1,500 light-years from Earth. Visible to the naked eye as a faint, fuzzy patch below Orion's belt, it's one of the most photographed and studied regions in the night sky. This vast cloud of gas and dust, spanning 24 light-years, has captivated humanity for centuries, from the ancient Maya, who saw it as the fire of creation, to modern astronomers peering into its depths with cutting-edge telescopes. But recent discoveries in this celestial masterpiece have sent shockwaves through the scientific community, unveiling mysteries that challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. Buckle up, because what NASA's found in the Orion Nebula is absolutely huge, mind-blowing, game-changing, and unlike anything we've ever seen before. Imagine zooming into the Orion Nebula, a chaotic cauldron of starbirth where glowing clouds of hydrogen gas swirl around newborn stars, sculpted by ferocious stellar winds and ultraviolet radiation. At its heart lies the trapezium, a tight cluster of four massive, scorching hot stars that light up the nebula like a cosmic spotlight. These stellar powerhouses carve out vast cavities in the nebula's dense gas and dust, creating a breathtaking landscape of pillars, arcs, and glowing filaments. For years, telescopes like Hubble and Spitzer have revealed the nebula's secrets, from protoplanetary disks, cradles of future planets, to shockwaves where fast-moving material slams into slower gas. But in 2023, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope turned its infrared gaze on this stellar nursery, and what it found has left astronomers speechless. Deep in the Orion Nebula, amid the roiling clouds and star-forming chaos, scientists stumbled upon something impossible. Dozens of planet-sized objects, each roughly the mass of Jupiter, floating freely in pairs. These mysterious entities, dubbed Jupiter mass binary objects or jumbos, defy every known rule of star and planet formation. They're too small to be stars, yet they don't orbit a parent star like planets should. Even more baffling, they travel in twos, locked in orbits around each other, something astronomers thought was impossible for objects of their size. The discovery of these jumbos, captured in stunning detail by Webb's NERCam and MIRI instruments, has turned our understanding of the cosmos upside down. How could such objects form? Why are they paired? And what does this mean for the very laws that govern the universe? Let's dive into the heart of this cosmic enigma. The Orion Nebula is no stranger to surprises. Its proximity to Earth makes it a perfect laboratory for studying how stars and planets are born. Hubble's sharp images have shown us protoplanetary disks, flattened clouds of dust and gas around young stars where planets might one day form. Spitzer's infrared vision peeled back layers of dust to reveal hidden stars. But Webb's unparalleled ability to see through the nebula's thick veil has uncovered something far stranger. These jumbos, ranging from 3 to 7 times the mass of Jupiter, don't fit any existing model. Stars form when massive clouds collapse under gravity, but the smallest stars are still 80 times Jupiter's mass. Planets, on the other hand, form in disks around stars and stay tethered to them. Yet here are these rogue worlds, drifting freely in pairs, defying both categories. The implications are staggering. If jumbos formed like stars, collapsing from clouds of gas and dust, they're rewriting the rules of star formation. Theoretical models suggest that objects this small shouldn't form this way. Their cores lack the density to ignite fusion. But if they formed like planets in a disk and were somehow ejected, how did they survive the violent expulsion and stay paired? One theory suggests that interactions with other stars in the dense Orion star field could have flung these objects out as binary pairs, but the odds seem astronomical. The discovery of nearly 150 of these objects suggests they're not a fluke, but a new class of cosmic phenomena, potentially scattered throughout the Milky Way. Could these be relics of a previously unknown process or even probes from a distant civilization? The truth is, we don't know, and that uncertainty is electrifying. But the shocks don't stop there. Webb's images of the Orion Nebula also revealed intricate details in a region called the Orion Bar, where ultraviolet light from the trapezium cluster slams into dense molecular clouds, eroding them and shaping the nebula's structure. This violent interaction creates a dynamic environment where molecules and chemistry in protoplanetary disks are transformed, potentially influencing how planets form. In one disk, Webb detected the methyl cation, a molecule that could be a key building block for life. This finding hints that the Orion Nebula isn't just birthing stars, but possibly sowing the seeds for life itself. The idea that our own solar system formed 4.5 billion years ago in a similar cloud might share a connection with these distant processes is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Now let's pull back and consider the bigger picture. The Orion Nebula is part of the Orion Molecular Cloud Complex, a sprawling network of star-forming regions that includes the Flame Nebula and the Horsehead Nebula. This complex is a cosmic factory, churning out stars and planets in a frenzy of activity. But the discovery of jumbos suggests there's more at play, processes we haven't even begun to understand. Some astronomers speculate these objects could be brown dwarfs, so-called failed stars too small to sustain fusion, but their binary nature and small masses challenge that idea. Others whisper about more exotic possibilities. Could these be artificial constructs, like interstellar probes sent by an advanced civilization? The notion seems far-fetched, but with hundreds of billions of planets in the Milky Way, the idea of alien technology isn't as crazy as it once sounded. Let's not forget the emotional weight of these discoveries. Imagine standing under a dark sky, gazing at Orion's belt, knowing that just below it lies a cosmic mystery that could redefine our place in the universe. The Orion Nebula has been a beacon for humanity, inspiring myths and fueling scientific curiosity for millennia. Now it's challenging us to rethink what's possible. The fact that these jumbos were spotted by a telescope as advanced as Webb, yet remain unexplained, reminds us how vast and unknown the cosmos truly is. It's humbling, thrilling, and a little terrifying to realize we're on the brink of something monumental. Are we witnessing the birth of a new astronomical category? Or are we glimpsing something far stranger? The Orion Nebula's secrets don't end with jumbos. Recent observations have also uncovered runaway stars, stellar renegades flung from their birthplace in the nebula's core. Hubble captured one such star, speeding through the nebula and leaving a trail of glowing gas in its wake. These cosmic wanderers, ejected during chaotic interactions in the trapezium cluster, hint at the violent dynamics at play. The nebula is a battlefield of gravitational forces, where stars are born, collide, and sometimes escape. Each discovery adds a new layer to the nebula's story, painting a picture of a universe that's wilder and more complex than we ever imagined. What makes this all so gripping is the human element. Astronomers, poring over Webb's images, have described their shock and excitement at seeing these jumbos for the first time. One researcher reportedly said the findings were an amazing result, shaking the foundations of their field. Another admitted that something's wrong with our understanding of planet formation, star formation, or both. These aren't just data points, they're moments of human wonder, where the boundaries of knowledge are pushed back in real time. The Orion Nebula, once a familiar sight, has become a frontier of discovery, challenging us to keep an open mind as we probe the unknown. But let's not get too comfortable with these findings, because the Orion Nebula has more surprises in store. In 2023, Webb's images revealed water vapor in a protoplanetary disk around a young star, a clue that planets forming there could have access to the building blocks of life. This isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a profound reminder that the processes shaping the Orion Nebula could mirror those that gave rise to Earth. The nebula's ability to generate enough water molecules to fill Earth's oceans 60 times over in a single day is a jaw-dropping testament to its power. Could life as we know it be taking shape in this distant nursery? The possibility sends shivers down the spine. As we grapple with these discoveries, the Orion Nebula continues to dazzle and perplex. Its glowing clouds, sculpted by the relentless energy of young stars, are a reminder of the universe's raw power and beauty. The trapezium's ultraviolet radiation carves out vast cavities, creating a cosmic canyon that Hubble's 3D visualizations have brought to life. Flying through this nebula, as depicted in stunning models by the Space Telescope Science Institute, feels like journeying through an alien world, complete with glowing clouds, dark nebulae, and embryonic planetary systems. It's a place where the laws of physics are pushed to their limits, and where the impossible seems to happen every day. The discovery of jumbos has sparked a frenzy of speculation. Some suggest they could be the remnants of failed planetary systems, ejected during violent stellar interactions. Others propose they might be a new type of object altogether, formed through an unknown mechanism. Repped into the conversation, though it remains on the fringes. What's undeniable is that these objects challenge our assumptions. They force us to question whether our models of star and planet formation are incomplete, or if we're witnessing something entirely new. The truth is out there, hidden in the glowing clouds of Orion, waiting to be uncovered. Let's talk about the technology that made this possible. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its massive mirror and infrared instruments, is a game-changer. Unlike Hubble, which sees primarily invisible light, Webb peers through dust clouds, revealing hidden stars and structures. Its images of the Orion Nebula are the sharpest ever, showing details that were invisible to previous telescopes. The NIRCam instrument captures short-wavelength infrared, highlighting the nebula's glowing gas, while MIRI's mid-infrared view reveals cooler dust and molecules. Together, they've given us a front-row seat to the nebula's chaos, from the Orion bar's dramatic shockwaves to the faint glow of jumbos drifting in the void. But this isn't just about technology. It's about the human spirit of exploration. Every new image from Webb is a testament to our relentless curiosity, our drive to understand the cosmos. The Orion Nebula, so close yet so mysterious, is a perfect symbol of that quest. It's a place where stars are born, where planets might form, and where strange objects challenge our understanding. The discovery of jumbos is a wake-up call, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises. It's a call to keep looking, keep questioning, and keep exploring, because what we find next could change everything. Now picture this: a faint, cigar-shaped object caught in one of Webb's images, lurking in the nebula's depths. It's not a jumbo, but something else. Something that doesn't match any known comet, asteroid, or camera glitch. Astronomers analyzing the data were stunned, describing it as unlike anything they'd seen before. Its elongated shape and odd trajectory sparked whispers of something extraordinary. Could it be a natural object, sculpted by the nebula's violent forces? Or is it something more? A visitor from beyond our galaxy, perhaps? The idea is tantalizing, even if it's speculative. After all, the Orion Nebula is a place where the impossible keeps happening. This mysterious object isn't the first of its kind. A few years ago, astronomers spotted a similar cigar-shaped anomaly in the Orion Nebula, dubbed Oumuamua-like by some due to its resemblance to the interstellar object that zipped through our solar system in 2017. And that object, too, defied explanation, with some suggesting it could be an alien probe. While mainstream science leans toward natural explanations, the similarities are striking. Both objects are elongated, move in ways that don't match typical space debris, and appear in regions of intense star formation. The Orion Nebula, it seems, is a hotspot for cosmic oddities, each one pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Let's not ignore the emotional pull of these mysteries. The Orion Nebula isn't just a scientific puzzle, it's a window into the infinite. When you look up at Orion on a clear night, you're seeing a place where stars are born, where planets might form, and where strange objects challenge our understanding. It's a reminder that we're part of something vast, something that's been unfolding for billions of years. The discovery of jumbos and other anomalies stirs a sense of wonder, but also a touch of unease. What else is out there? Are we alone, or are we being watched? The answers are still beyond our reach, but the questions alone are enough to keep us awake at night. The Orion Nebula's discoveries also tie into humanity's broader quest to explore the cosmos. NASA's Voyager 1, now over 14 billion miles from Earth, recently detected a mysterious hum in interstellar space, a faint vibration in the plasma of the interstellar medium. This eerie signal, published in Nature Astronomy, hints at unknown processes beyond our solar system. Like the jumbos, it's a reminder that the universe is alive with activity we don't yet understand. The nebula, with its violent star-forming chaos, might hold clues to these distant mysteries. Could the vibrations detected by Voyager be linked to the same processes shaping the Orion Nebula? It's a long shot, but the connections are tantalizing. Back in the nebula, the Orion bar continues to captivate. This region, where ultraviolet light from the trapezium cluster meets dense molecular clouds, is a cosmic battleground. The energy from these stars erodes the clouds, creating shockwaves that sculpt the nebula's dramatic landscape. Webb's images show glowing filaments and dark dust lanes, a testament to the nebula's raw power. But it's not just beauty, it's science in action. The Orion bar's chemistry, including the discovery of the methyl katon, suggests that the building blocks of life are forming right before our eyes. This isn't just a nebula, it's a cradle for future worlds. The emotional weight of these findings can't be overstated. Imagine being an astronomer, sifting through Webb's data. When you spot a pair of jumbios drifting in the void, your heart races, your mind reels. What are these things? The thrill of discovery is matched only by the frustration of not knowing. Every new image, every new anomaly, is a step into the unknown. The Orion Nebula, once a familiar sight, has become a frontier of mystery, a place where the rules of the universe are being rewritten. It's a humbling reminder that despite all our technology, we're still just scratching the surface of the cosmos. Let's zoom out for a moment. The Orion Nebula is part of a larger story, the story of our galaxy, the Milky Way. With hundreds of billions of stars and planets, it's a vast, uncharted wilderness. The discovery of jumbos suggests that our galaxy might be teeming with strange objects we've never noticed before. Could these be scattered throughout other nebulae hiding in plain sight? The idea that our galactic neighborhood is full of surprises is both exciting and daunting. It's a call to action for astronomers, for dreamers, for anyone who's ever looked up at the stars and wondered what's out there. The Orion Nebula's mysteries also resonate with our past. The ancient Maya saw it as a cosmic fire, a symbol of creation. Other cultures, from the Babylonians to the Chinese, wove their own stories around Orion's stars. Today, we're writing a new chapter in that story, one grounded in science, but no less wondrous. The nebula's glowing clouds, its runaway stars, its impossible jumbos, they're all part of a cosmic saga that stretches back billions of years, and we're the ones lucky enough to witness it, to ask the big questions, to chase the truth. But the Orion Nebula isn't just about the past or the present, it's about the future. The water vapor, detected in its protoplanetary disks, hints at worlds that might one day harbor life. The jumbos, whatever they are, could be clues to processes that shaped our own solar system. Every discovery in this nebula brings us closer to understanding our origins and our place in the cosmos. It's a journey that's equal parts science and emotion, a quest that stirs the soul as much as the mind. The Orion Nebula is a reminder that the universe is vast, wild, and full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. As we speak, astronomers are poring over Webb's data, searching for more clues about the jumbos and other anomalies. New observations are planned, new theories are being tested. The Orion Nebula, with its glowing clouds and hidden mysteries, is a beacon for exploration. It's a place where the impossible becomes possible, where the unknown beckons us forward. The truth is out there, shimmering in the nebula's depths, and we're closer than ever to finding it. But for now, the questions outweigh the answers, and that's what makes this discovery so huge. So what do you make of these mind-blowing findings? Are the jumbos a new type of cosmic object, or something stranger? Is that cigar-shaped anomaly a natural phenomenon, or could it be a sign of something more? The Orion Nebula is calling, and it's up to us to answer. Share your thoughts, your theories, your wildest ideas, because the universe is full of mysteries, and we're all part of solving them. Keep looking up, keep wondering, and let's uncover the truth together.